Guys, got this from the thrift store. And this is this one you can put in your backpack or your belt. And this the name said icebreaker. And this one, guys, has a long strap, or you can hang on like this. But you put your hands in here, and you can put your, it's kind of warm inside, and you can put your hand warmer, the hand warmer, like a pocket that you can. So I like to bring this in the car too, or because sometimes it's just so cold, and there's a time it's just so cold, so it's nice to have what is the name is icebreaker. Yeah, this one is kind of nice. You can. And I got this chair. It's like it's kind of used, but it's kind of thicker, so when you sit down outside in the porch, I got this for something dollars. And then is this this hand warmer. The hand warmer is for something dollars too. And then I got two of this now. This one, guys, is really light. Like I like this because I wanna start putting in my bag the umbrella, because rainy season. But there's one that's really heavy. I don't want. This one is kind of light, and I open up already. This one, it's kind of nice. It's not broken. I got this. I got this also. Is emergency sleeping bag, and it said Sierra Madre. I did not really. I just open up like this, but I did not look at yet. But it's like a nice orange. Yes. Oh, this is what it look like, guys. Oh, it's a emergency bag. Oh, they're just like aluminum silver in the other side. Oh, emergency sleeping bag. And this one I started getting this kind too, because sometimes you always need to have like, you put in your bag and stuff. It's kind of nice to have name. You don't need to put your home address. You can just put your name, and then name, first name, and then last name, initial, and then, or this one don't have paper, but that's okay. I have another one over there I save up that has then you can put your telephone number in case of your bag missing, or you lose your bag. At least you have your phone number so they can return to you. So I got this from the thrift store also. So I started putting a phone number like this, and even in the keychain, nice to have phone number. And I got this I need this for my I have this bag that I need to have that too, like a strap thing. Oh, shoulder strap. Where's it? Oh, never mind. This is just one, guys. I thought this is two, guys, but that's okay. I just use this for other stuff. But nice this one because you can adjust this, and you can wrap into your sleeping blanket, sleeping bag, the big one. So okay, see you later.